I'm Sushma Kumari Kalindi from EC 8th semester, present over here with my group members Utkarsh and Lalit for giving a brief description on our final year project, that is electronic speaking gloves for deaf and dumb people. As we know that basically the deaf and dumb people uses sign language, or you can call gesture language, for communication. But sometimes they faces difficulties while communicating with the person who don't understand sign language. So, for removing this communication barrier between our normal people and them, we have made a project, that is electronic speaking gloves. By using this electronic speaking gloves, the deaf and dumb people can translate the sign language into speech form as well as into text form. By using this, the desired message can be displayed and it can be speak out. So this is the introduction part, and now my group member Lalit will further continue with the components that has been used while making the project. Thank you.
Thank you, Susma. Hello, everyone. I am Lalit. I am here for telling you guys about the components which we required for making this project, electronics speaking gloves for deaf and dumb people. So, the components which we required are 5-volt DC power supply, 5 flex sensor for each finger, gloves, Arduino Nano microcontroller for coding the instruction, voice module kit for converting the message signal into a speech signal, a speakers for speak out the message, and at last the LCD display for displaying the message.
Thank you, Sushma. Thank you, Lalit. Hello, everyone. Now I'm Utkarsh and I'm going to demonstrate you a project which is on electronic speaking gloves for deaf and dumb. Now, let's see what our project shows you. Hey folks, now here is the project which helps the deaf and dumbs. Sorry. Now, see, what do we have here is LCD screen, Arduino Nano, voice module, speaker, and a gloves with the flex sensor in it. Now what is flex sensor? See here. This is a flex sensor. Now what does flex sensor do in our project? Flex sensor is a very much essential thing in our project. It does what it does. Now that what it is? See, flex sensor works on a bending of resistance. The more it bends, the more it works. Okay, the much higher you bend it, the much higher the resistance it will produce. That it is directly proportional to it. Now after that, what happened? When you bend this finger like this, the flex sensor in it bends and it gives the resistance to the resistors. Now what resistors do? With the help of voltage divider rule, it will code with the it will code in a Arduino kit that we will do. Okay, so at a particular voltage of resistance, the particular message will be coded in Arduino with the help of Arduino software. And with that, when it will bend, it will send a message towards the Arduino through the software and the programming, and it will send to display it in a LCD display, and also as well as in the voice module. Now what will voice module do? Voice module transfer it to the speaker to make the sound of particular message what the deaf want to show actually in it. So it will display the message as well as it will speak through the speaker. Now let's see what it will do.
Please help.
Now see, when it bends,
Please help.
it display the message please help, and it speak through the speakers as well. Now when I bend this like this, and we can put it hand into that too. Now let's see that I want water, it is displaying, and as well as it speaks. See,
I want food. I want food. I am fine.
so now this is the whole model which we have worked for, and which you are seeking for. So electronic speaking gloves for deaf and dumb. It will speak as well as it will display. So thank you folks.